for the accession process is a technical process, meaning that there is so much work to do on the operational level, and we need one person who is responsible and one person we are addressing and one person we are talking to what needs to be done. Once again, this is not a political position. We need one person, it is in every process like this, who is steering the process at home in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and who will be then, of course, reporting to us. And this person also has to organize the process inside the country. That's why it is so much important. But as you have said, we are on the good way, and we hope that we will be able soon to have this name. Once again, it's a huge work which has to be done. We have to go through more than 100,000 pages to see how is your legislation in Bosnia and Herzegovina aligned or not aligned with the acquis communautaire of the European Union. That's why we need this person so desperately.